You're watching How Leap. Let's explore the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the phone that changes everything. This device redefines mobile technology with a revolutionary AI-powered camera system that can think and adapt in real time. Its fully adaptive display adjusts not just brightness but also refresh rate and color tone for perfect viewing in any environment. Experience seamless performance powered by the new Snapdragon 9 Gen processor, making multitasking and gaming smoother than ever. The S26 Ultra introduces a holographic video call feature, projecting a 3D image of your caller into your room. Its battery life is unprecedented, offering a full week of use on a single charge with new graphene cell technology. The integrated S Pen now has laser projection capabilities, turning any surface into a touchscreen. With satellite connectivity built in, you are never without a signal. This phone isn't just an upgrade. It's a leap into the future of communication and creativity. For more simple technology explorations and tutorials, subscribe to the channel.